Hey everyone, let me introduce you amazing new method for getting free resources in your favorite game. We made this step-by-step video tutorial so you can easily boost your game on Android and iOS devices. Jump to our website and find your game. Fill in all required fields and choose whether you want to disable ads. Choose between free packages and press start. And finally the last step, which requires completion of 2 offers from the list. After that, you will receive your resources from our sponsors in a couple of minutes. You don't have to choose the same offers, just pick any 2. And this is it. Restart your game and enjoy. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get new video updates.